Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change up screen grid in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for screen layout options. We need to go to Settings, then Home Screen, and here we have our screen grids, Home, Apps, Folder, etc. We are interested in our app screen. So this one, we have example how it will change here. By default we have 4x5, but we can of course change it. We have 4 options here. Remember to accept it. Done. And now our screen has been changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.